Please don't forget to write your name and please do pass it here in front. Everyone who is here, Buddy Bata and Dalco. So later on, you will going to win exciting prizes on the 62nd birthday of Ma'am Nina. So please do that one. If you do have some ball pen, if humay na ball lang mo, please, for baka sulat po sila. Thank you. Please to stand by. In a while, we are going to start our big celebration as Ma'am Nina turns 62 tonight.
Noy, apil ba mga bata, Noy? Sulat nga lang, Noy, sa